Anytime you're feeling stressed, press the pause button, which means stop, take a few deep breaths, smile, observe what's happening in your body, and observe particularly your reaction to react, and then proceed with love and compassion. If you do it enough times, you'll feel centered all the time. In a car, they can listen to music. I would not listen to the news because it's so distressing all the time anyway. But I would listen to maybe Bach or Beethoven or Vivaldi or any favorite music, or listen to my tapes on meditation. But don't close your eyes.